So today we're going to be removing the passenger side door panel on this 2018 Dodge Ram 3500. It is going to be the exact same for the 2010s all the way up to, I believe, 2019. Tools required to remove the door panel is plastic and or metallic pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. You want to start off by coming in here. Come back here in the door handle. You are going to have Phillips located right there, as well as you would like to pry this up. Remove your connector. If you are doing this to the driver's side, you will have two connections. This being the passenger side, it only has one connection. To removing that, you will have to remove these. These are all plastic pieces. There are 6 located all around the sides and the bottom. These are plastic. You want to come around with your pry tool, get in there, be careful and pull the center piece out, so make sure you don't lose that. And then you want to come back here, take that plastic piece out. You're going to do this all around the sides. After removing all those plastic pins, all you have to do is push up. After your door panel is off, you have 3 10 millimeters. Remove those. Coming down, following the cable. Remove your connections. Remove this clip. Remove the black tape from this connection, and you'll be good to go.